Hello everyone. Today we'll be talking about how do we give AI a digital hand. Just think about the scenario. Will you let AI to take over your operating system memory management, processing management, or dealing with the file structure? The answer is no. Then what is the solution? How we can develop our own tool, pass those tools as an agent, and then let AI use these tools whenever needed. So we will see exactly the same thing today. For our demo purposes to simplify, we want to look into our operating system, look for the file structure, and if we find the file, we want to read the content. So two tools we are going to develop. We are planning to develop two different tools. One tool takes care of looking for the information. One tool will take care of looking the file structure in our operating system. The second one, once we find the file, the one of our interest, it will start reading the content of the file and then pass this tool to the AI. So what we are trying to do, we want to use the power of LLM, and in this we are using Ollama. Ollama knows how to shake hand with the local tool. In this diagram, we can see that we are giving this engine a power to communicate with operating system with the help of Python library. Looks like. So we start with the phrase prompt. AI knows read the prompt, and then by reading the prompt, it knows that I don't have to go and do the generative AI and try to find the code what we want to do. Instead of that, it knows to make use of the existing tool, get the help of the tool, and do what is supposed to be done here. We are not talking about AI with unlimited capabilities, but in the jar. We are saying that we are giving all the capability, but we are giving the tool so that we are. So now we are giving the hands to the brain, and hand is the one we have developed. So this was all for representation. Now let's take a look at one of the code. So in this two agent list and read.py, what we are trying to do, we have just imported Ollama. As we'll be using Python, we are just importing the OS module. In this one, we have developed two different tools. One is the list directory, and in the list directory, we are just saying that this is what it does. And then we don't want to go into detail of this code, but just we want to highlight the flow. The second tool we have developed read the content, and that's what we are defining here. So what we did, we have just added two function, two tool, and we are just going to pass these tool in this toolbox. So all we are saying now, here are the list of the tools, and then the real things happen here. So the run agent gets the prompt and it gets the model, then try to see what it has to do with the prompt, and we are also passing the tools. So going down here at the example usage, we are saying that list the file in the current folder and then read test.py. So the run agent is going to call with the prompt. These are the prompts we have here. And then run agent will decode the prompt. Now it knows which model to use. And this is the Ollama chat. So we are saying that use this particular model. In the model, we want to pass this message as a user and then the whatever prompt we had. And this is the part for the plugging in. So we are just plugging with this chat, this tool, the one we have developed. So this is one of the simplest examples. This way we can develop any tool. It could be reading the data, it could be sending the email, and combine those tools as per our own design in current folder and then read the test.py. Now we have sent the request and let's see what happened here. So we can see that it was able to know what to do, and it was able to get there and read the content of the file. So I'm just listing here in this directory. This is the test.py we had, and we were able to read the content. What I'm going to do, let's say we don't have test.py, we have test A, B, C, and then let's see what it does. So I'll save the program. Once again, we will run the program, and as soon as we are running the program, this run agent will be called, and this time it is going to make use of the same flow, but this time it doesn't have test.abc.py. It does the listing, but it realizes that there is no such file or directory. And that's all I had for you. If you like my video, please don't forget to share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.